Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hossein, and in this channel I teach everyone how to leverage AI and business strategies to build seven-figure businesses. So today I'm going to introduce you to a new platform that a lot of you may not have heard, and how you can leverage actually this platform for free to use the latest and greatest AI models that Facebook or Meta offers. So we've all heard about the Llama 3.1, the incredible 405 billion parameter language model that is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. But here's the catch. To run a model of this scale locally, if you do not have access to the supercomputer or enterprise level servers running Llama 3.1 locally, well, you can instead use meta.ai platform that allows you to run this model in the cloud. So instead of investing in ultra high end hardware, you can access 3.1 model that I'm talking about, the 405 billion parameter, directly on the meta.ai platform and completely for free. And you get the full power of this massive model without the need to upgrade your machine. Meta.ai has streamlined everything for you. Let me show you how easy it is to leverage that and access this model. So first of all you need to do is go to this Meta website, meta.ai. And in here, you have access to a chat GPT style environment where you can start new conversations. You have access to your history. And in addition, it also gives you the access to some AI demos, which you can explore. For example, it has certain basically demos about images, some about simulating an interview or creating documents or images, and segmentation of the video objects. So if you go to this link, it actually has different models that you can basically test. For example, this segment to anything would enable you to examine a video and basically identify some objects and track that. So it's going to walk us through the step. And for example, this is a person who's playing with the video with the ball, and you notice if I click anywhere in this, so I selected the ball, and I can deselect it, but I can also specify, like, give it a name and description about what this object is, or even, for example, the whole body. And then what happens is that I ask it to track the object. So anywhere that this person moves, it will track it. And there are some, benefits to this. There are multiple use cases. I know many enterprise level software and tools that utilize the same technology to build like billion-dollar startups that tracks, objects in the field or in factory about the safety and all those things. So it's pretty useful. And you can access that not only for free, but also you can download the database too. So I encourage you to play with these models and kind of explore them. But going back to the Meta AI environment, one thing that you can do is that once you create an account and logged in, I use my Facebook account. What you can do is to click on this, your name profile, and then there's a setting here. So going there, it will give you multiple options. Like, for example, change your model you want, download your information, or delete your information. So for now, we're going to go and select the change your model. And in here, you see that there are two versions, the 3.2 default model, which is the fastest response that you can get. It's the fastest and a lot of time very, very accurate compared to other commercial or paid versions out there. But also it gives you the option to select the 3.1 405 billion parameter. And once you select that, then you see that the preference is updated, and then you can close this. Now, if you ask anything about, or start a chat, basically, it's going to use that model to do that. So for example, I'm going to say, or create a social media campaign for my new Skool community course where I teach everyone how to leverage AI to build seven-figure revenue streams. All right. So as you see, it's super fast. Like running this locally would require you at least $1,000 to just have the hardware set up in order to be able to do that. Of course, there are cases where you definitely want to run the model locally, naming privacy and security to a lot of viewers. These are the most important KPIs, the most important requirements of certain projects. But if you are just using it generally similar to ChatGPT, well, this is a very good option. And even the 3.2, which is not the full product in terms of the number of the parameters, but it also gives you very, very powerful and accurate and close to paid versions like Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT for 4.0 or 4.0 model, basically. But yeah, there it is, and you can see that it gave us a very good response, very thorough, and we can continue doing that. One thing that I wanted to go back and show you is that the change model, the description is also important. So the 3.1 is better handles complex prompts. Preview this model with a limited number of the text-only responses. So basically what it says is that it's suited for those kind of tasks and conversations where you are using this for text-based prompts, text-based results or outcomes. But if it involves having videos, having images, those kind of things. So 3.2 model or better, especially AI models that we saw in the demo, that might be a better option for you as well. So I encourage you to give it a try and see which one is a better fit for you. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to share with you, and you have access to this history here. Hope you liked it, and let me know what you think. Thank you very much, and have a great day.